The COVID-19 pandemic has shaped the lives of billions around the globe. Thankfully, modern science has revealed a light at the end of the lockdown tunnel in the form of vaccinations. We're here to give you the breakdown of the companies paving the way back to normality. Let's get into it. Our first company may be known for their fantastic baby oil, but it's their scientific contributions in developing a vaccine which secures them a place on our list. Johnson & Johnson, ticker J&J, have taken the vaccine market by storm, with their product being first choice for the United States rollout. They did take a small hit recently, as their product was temporarily put on pause after reports of a small number of blood clots in women. But the CDC has since allowed J&J to resume distribution. The company is a powerhouse in consumer goods and healthcare sectors and have been trading for over 50 years, making them a stable bet for the future. Next up is Novavax, ticker NVAX. Although a little late to the vaccination party, the company currently has their vaccine in stage 3 trials, and the results are showing an 89.3% effectiveness against the virus. They are expected to file for emergency authorization in the UK in the coming months, and they are considerably more affordable than some of the other vaccines on the market. Experts are excited about this prospect, and once their product hits the market commercially, they could see a considerable boost in stock price. One of the more famous names on our list is UK-based biopharmaceutical company AstraZeneca, ticker AZN. After teaming up with Oxford University last year, the company co-released their vaccine to the UK population after being granted emergency authorization. Since then, they have expanded their scope to other countries around the world and are now seeking emergency authorization from the World Health Organization. Their price did take a hit after they decided not to pursue the US market, but with a 94% effectiveness rate against the virus, many more countries could be quick to snap up their product, which spells great news for the company. The quickest product to the market was developed by Pfizer, ticker PFE, in collaboration with German pharmaceutical company BioNTech, ticker BNTX. The downside of their product is that it must be stored in extremely cold temperatures, making its distribution a logistical nightmare. But the company has set its sights on developing an even better version of the vaccine, which could be ready as soon as the end of 2021. Over 40 million Americans have received the Pfizer vaccine thus far, and their stock price has consistently grown since their product reached the market. As well as offering freedom from restrictions, the company boasts an attractive dividend yield of nearly 4%. Investors should definitely consider this stock. Like Pfizer, Moderna, ticker mRNA, has also had plenty of market exposure in the US. As the second vaccine to be granted FDA approval, the stock has gone from strength to strength in the last few months, and this trajectory doesn't look like slowing down anytime soon. Their success in producing an effective COVID-19 vaccine led the company to announce plans to start phase 1 trials for a flu vaccine. If the results are promising, their stock price could continue to skyrocket, so it's definitely worth keeping an eye on this one. Nobody likes getting stabbed in the arm. So far, every company who has developed a successful vaccine requires it to be administered by an injection. But there are 2 companies looking to change that. Penny stock Vaxart, ticker VXRT, is currently in phase 1 clinical trials of an oral COVID-19 vaccine, and this could be a game changer if successful. Although the company is one of 40 racing to create an effective vaccine, they would likely be the first to provide the solution in pill form. They have also made headlines for their research into T-cell therapy, a new method for treating viruses, which could also see their stock price accelerate. Yes, this is a penny stock, which subjects it to a higher market volatility, but for investors willing to take the risk, this could be a great bet for the future. The final stock on our list is a company called Altimmune, ticker ALT, who is developing an intranasal vaccine. This would require the user to administer the vaccine via a nasal spray, which would deal with the virus at the point of infection. If successful, this treatment would be revolutionary and secure Altimmune a spot as one of the big pharmaceutical players. The product is currently in phase 1 trials, but if it does make it to the market, investors could generate some exceptional returns. If you want to trade the stocks featured in this video, or any other stocks online with zero commissions and no deposit minimums, then Webull is the platform for you. They offer a number of trading options, account types, and in-depth stock analysis tools to help you become a better investor. Plus, you get free shares of stock like Apple or Tesla just for joining. Check out the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to claim your free stocks when you sign up. At the start of the pandemic, securing a vaccine was like trying to find a needle in a haystack, literally. The fact that in just a year, there were a number of effective solutions on the market is a tribute to modern medicine and the minds behind the science. Investors have a great opportunity to capitalise on this new market and add some very attractive stocks to their portfolio. Now that things are open again, maybe we could discuss it further over a cold pint at the pub. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Stock Talk and comment your favourite stocks below. Who knows, we may feature it in a future video.